In this video, we're going to look at the principle of the conservation of momentum using a GeoGebra app. So basically, we've got two masses. Okay, the initial speed of of A is 4, and the initial speed of B is -3. So they're going to go towards hit each other, and the final speed of A will be -1.2. If we just click through that hit and they go back, and you can see the final speed of B will be 0.7. Okay, just reset that. Let's just stop it and reset it. Okay, so from the law of conservation of momentum, we've got MA/UA plus MB/UB, MA/VA plus MB/VB. Okay, if we put all the information in, and you can change the sliders for yourself and have a look and see what will happen. So we've got 2 times 4 plus 3 times -3 is going to be 2 times -1.2, which is, you can make the VA as what you want it to be, plus 3 times VB, and you can rearrange it and it will calculate the final velocity of B. So I'll just do that one more time. This is where the two particles are moving towards each other, and they move apart like that. Okay, and it will give you their final speed. Okay, I hope you understood, and I thank you very much for watching. Let's just do something else for a moment. Can we make that positive? But we don't want to make VA too much. Let's see what happens here. Okay, that doesn't work very well. Basically, you're going to go in the opposite directions, so it'll probably be more like that. Okay. All right. Okay. So I hope this has been helpful, and hope you can have a play around with the app for yourself. The link will be in the notes of this video. Thank you.